Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to allow everyone to follow you on LinkedIn using your PC. This feature is part of LinkedIn's recent updates, giving you more control over your profile visibility and engagement. Let's dive right in. First, head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon labeled Me. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Click on Visibility to adjust how others interact with your profile. Now, scroll down to the Followers section. Here, you'll find an option that says Who can follow you? Click on this drop-down menu to choose who can follow your updates. You'll see a few options, but for this tutorial, we want to select Everyone on LinkedIn. This setting allows anyone on the platform to follow your posts without needing to send a connection request. By choosing Everyone on LinkedIn, you're opening up your content to a much broader audience. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to increase your visibility, share your expertise, or simply build a larger community around your professional interests. Remember, when people follow you, they're more likely to see your updates in their feed, which can lead to more engagement and conversations around the topics you care about. So, whether you're a thought leader, a business owner, or just someone looking to expand your professional network, this feature is a great way to reach more people. That's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully allowed everyone on LinkedIn to follow you. This update is a great opportunity to grow your presence on the platform and connect with others who share similar interests. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.